First, we do this multiplication. 5 over 4 times 4. We can easily cancel this 4 and this 4. So we have just 5. And 40 divided by 5, which equals 8. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So first we have to do this division, not this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. Okay? So first this division. 40 divided by 5 over 4. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. 4 over 5. And times 4. So 40 times 4 over 5 times 4. 40 divided by 5 gives us 8. And 5 divided by 5 is just 1. So we have 8 times 4, which equals 32. And 32 times 4, which gives us 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times 3 is just 12. So 128. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 128.